Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to remove pencil marks from your wall. These happen all the time if by accident when you're walking in the door and you're holding a pencil, or maybe your kids got a hold of a pencil and decided to make you a picture on the wall. You're trying to hang pictures and you're marking the wall with a pencil. Just don't be afraid to do that because it's really easy to remove most any kind of mark from your wall if you have a magic eraser. This is an off-brand magic eraser. I think it's made by Scotch, the same people who make the little sponges and things like that, but they all work really well. So I'm just going to make a mark on the wall. And then you just want to go get your magic eraser wet. And you don't have to give it any pressure. You just lightly go over it. And the pencil mark disappears right before your eyes. And then that'll dry. You know, it looks like there's an obvious wet spot right there, but it'll dry and it'll be just as good as new. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you remove pencil marks from a wall.